Today, I'm going to show you how to ride a tire swing. Wear a helmet. Okay, first, you hold the rope and step on here and get up like this. And wrap your leg around and you get someone to push you. But if you want to do it yourself, then you bring it up to the hill like this. And it's really heavy, so you might need some help. And then you go like this and step on it and go like this. And you go like this. And you be careful when you get off. And then you stop it so it doesn't,